Hey y'all, Joe here at Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you with a cool little video today. Something I've been wanting to do for a while. I don't know if you remember a while back I got some of these. This is a Wagyu Ive round from Midland Meat Company. Alright? I've been thinking some different stuff to do with them. I got several of them. And I thought beef jerky would be a great idea. So I got with the folks over at Jerky Marinate. And it's real simple beef jerky marinade. It just comes in a bottle. You can get it ordered online. You know, because making your own beef jerky and putting all the stuff in there, you know, can get kind of time consuming, a little difficult. So, you know, just get this already made stuff. And I also want to use a little bit of my Butcher's Barbecue Savory Pecan rubs. I just love that, and some jerky flavor. So what we want to do, got me a good sharp knife here, okay? I want to slice this up. All right, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna slice it. Give me just a second to get it over here on the slicing board. We'll dry it off, everything like that. And this is almost kind of partially frozen. That's just kind of how you want to do it. When you're doing this beef jerky, it makes it a little bit easier for the slicing. Push it down here, I'll show you what I'm looking at here. So I take the whole eye right there, just like that. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of just cut it in half long ways. Alright, so we just cut it right down the middle, just like that. Flip it around, go the other way. Because you don't want that big, huge pieces, okay? So we got that, and just a second, y'all. So I got it cut in half like this. Now I kind of want any kind of little silver skin that's left. I'm gonna remove that. Didn't see that on there. I would have got it off before I even sliced it. Alright, then I'm gonna come back, move that piece over there, and you want to slice it here, like, you know, the grains run this way. We'll slice these thin slices, okay, against the grain, all right? And we'll just put these in there like that. I mean, just do your thin little slices, that for your beef jerky. And this will make the little pieces of beef jerky, all right? And just the little strips. See how I'm doing it right there? Just thin slicing. And this is gonna be some good stuff, y'all. I'm telling you what. Now I may take a little meat tenderizer and pound that out just a little bit. And we're gonna put the marinade or the seasoning on here in just a minute. You'll see how I'm gonna nice and pounded out thin, you know, with we'll use the meat pounder. Some great looking marbling on there. All right, let's look at this piece right there. Good looking stuff. So what I'm gonna do now is put a little bit of this butcher's seasoning on there, the pecan, and we'll go on both sides with that. Then we'll put them in a bag and we'll come in with the marinade, okay? So that's just basically what we're doing. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna add this marinade here to the bag. Remember, this is the directions to shake, refrigerate after opening, cut your meat, bag it, let it sit for 48 hours. Okay, so I'm just pour this marinade in. That'll be good right there. And we will bag this up, seal this up, and let it sit for 48 hours. We're gonna finish this beef jerky up tonight. I got it right here in the bag. It's been marinating in the fridge for several days now. Actually, a little bit too long, about 4 or 5 days instead of 3, but it don't matter. I've got like one of these frog mats down here. We're gonna put this on there, and then we'll get out the Yoder Wise 640, okay, with Lumberjack Competition Blend pellets. Let me go ahead and just lay it all out here. So there it is right there. Now we're gonna get it out in the smoker and just set it on the Wise 640, all right? Y'all got Lumberjack Competition Blend. Got them going to be at 200 degrees. Right here smoking away. Y'all check it out. See, I've got them set up in there. All right. I'll let them go for a couple of hours. All right, y'all. So the beef jerky's been in here for about 3 hours. Look at it. You know, it's looking really, really good. And I'm gonna go ahead and taste the piece. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh wow. Oh yeah. No. It tastes like a brisket. Like a really nice burn in with just that crust, making circulation and crust. That's awesome. That was one of the pieces that was kind of, still got a little bit of oil on it. Let's try one of these pieces that are a little more dry. I can see that. Looks really good too. Tastes more like a traditional beef jerky. Good flavor. I really like that. Oh yeah. This is a good marinade here. So I'm gonna go take some of these off. I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator. Let them cool that down. This is the type of beef jerky you store in the refrigerator, since we didn't use the tender queg or something like that. But anyway, take some of them off. We'll get back to you tomorrow when they cool down. Stuff like that, and we'll really give them a try. All right, I gotta tell y'all, this beef jerky turned out excellent. Great flavor to it. Smokiness. Really good stuff. You gotta check out that jerky marinade. Anyway, thank y'all so much. Please give me a thumbs up, like my video, sub my channel. God bless y'all. Y'all have a good one. Good jerky.